Hello, I am Teacher Chris and welcome to Mathly. In this video, we're going to talk about the distance formula. So first, the question here is we need to find the distance between M and N. First thing we need to do is to find the coordinates of M and N or points, pair of points with the M and N. And then we need to label them, which one is x of 1 and which one is x of 2. So I'm going to label this one x of 1, y sub 1. Remember, whenever you are working with the distance formula or the distance between 2 points, you must be able to label which one is the first pair of points, which is the x sub 1 and the y sub 1, and which one is the x sub 2 and y sub 2. In this case, I make the m1 and 2 be the first points or first pair of points, and the n for the second pair of points. Afterwards, I'm going to use the distance formula. So the distance between M and N, just going to write M N is equals to the square root of the x sub 2 minus the x sub 1. X sub 2 here is 7. X sub 1 here is 1 square plus. I have here the y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Y sub 2 is 6 and y sub 1 is 2. 6 minus 2 square. And then afterwards, we are going to solve what is inside of the parentheses first. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 square. And we have here like plus 6 minus 2, it's 4 square. And then we have like 6 square is the square root of 36 plus 16. 36 plus 16 is square root of 52. And then we are going to factor out 52 in such a way that one of its factor has a square root. That will be 4 times 13. So that we can simplify square root of 52 into the radical form. Square root of 4 it's 2 and square root of 13. We cannot find the square root of 13, so we are just going to write it this way. So the final answer for this is 2 square root of 13. Again, whenever we are talking about the distance of a certain points or points between 2 points, first thing we need to do is to find the first pair of points and the second pair of points, and then use the distance formula. You must be able to label it, which one is x sub 1 and which one is y sub 1, x sub 2 and y sub 2. In that scenario, we have here like the first m equals to 1 and 2, and n will 7 and 6 will be the x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2 respectively. Afterwards, we're going to apply the distance formula. 7 minus 6 plus 6 minus 2. And then we solve. Afterwards, we find square root of 52 and we simplify. Remember, whenever you are working with radicals, we need to simplify it in such a way that the final answer must be in radical form. So we have here like we need to factor out 52. So it is 4 times 13. And the square root of 4 here, it will be 2. And the final answer will be 2 square root of 13.